Hybrid Development International proudly introduced a new innovative HDI clamp. The HDI clamp is made of T6061 lightweight aluminum. It is a high-pressure air or liquid conduit joiner. It has an impressive operating pressure of up to 450 psi in some applications and is designed to withstand temperatures of over 250 degrees Celsius. It is specially designed with a smooth internal connection to minimize flow disruption between two joiners.
You will for each side place the O-rings over one sleeve, put it together. Lock it together. That's it.
Our clamp is specially designed to suit your intercooler piping, cold air intakes, turbo piping, or custom applications. Please contact us for further details or custom requirements. HDI design, test, and manufacture.